What's up guys? Ngayon nga ay tayo na balik naman tayo sa panibagong video ngayong araw. Kung di nyo alam, tayo ay maglalaro ng BHS game. So, let's go mga kaibigan. Let's play. So, nakuha ko lang pala to sa itch.io. Basta nakuha ko lang to kasi naghanap ako ng mga games. So, andito nga The BHS Paradise. So, horror tong game natin ngayon. Kaya, sana ay mag-enjoy kayo na dito sa ating game. So, ano na nga. So, let's start the game. Oh, andito nga tayo. Grabe. Grabe, yung dami ng... Ano to?
What's that?
So, dito pala yung ano natin, Grabe. Start the ship. Yes! Of course. Hintay lang tayo ng customer.
Huh?
Ano yun?
Ma'am! Ma'am! Sigurado magbayad kayo dyan, ha?
Magbayad kayo. Yes. Hi.
I'm taking this snobby with me for 2 days. How much I have to pay?
It's $3. You will love this movie. It is one of my...
Okay, here you go. I don't have time to check. The state is very dangerous outside.
Bye. Wow. Grabe ka. Hindi naman to naggana ng computer eh. Grabe talaga. Wala naman monitor. So, pagkatapos pala nito. So, pagkatapos, ano ang gagawin na natin? Ang tanong. Sir? Sir? Ano pipiliin nyo po? Pipiliin nyo po ang
Basta,
wag kang tatakas ng walang bayad
I swear,
Pag lumayas ka dyan sa shop na to ng walang bayad.
ako sa'yo ang titirang.
What the dog doing?
Uy! Uy! Puka lang. Puka lang. Tip! Makawat.
Magnanakaw!
Sir, bakit ka di ka...
Hello, boy. You have the movie done here.
Hello, ma'am. That movie is currently in the cinema. It's not yet in VHS stores.
Oh, I don't like the cinema. I have to wait there.
Come here in couple of weeks. We may have that movie on sale by then.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye.
Parang sas na sas ako dun sa lalaki na yun. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Sas talaga. Wait pa nga tayo ng customer. Ano naman, grabe talaga to. Kunting customer lang ang nagpupunta dito sa beaches store na to. Sino ka? Sir! Pili na po, sir. Wala lang. Pili. Sir, maganda po yan. Ano, bali, ang classics niya na ay maganda. So,
Hello, friend. I want to buy this movie. It's $20. Excellent.
finally what?
I have finally reached 100 movies purchase. I love collecting these wonders.
Do you even watch the movies? No, I don't see them. I buy them just to decorate my house. Okay. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Okay, are you going to pay or what? Yes, take it. Thank you very much. Okay, parang sas talaga ako dito sa mga taong ito ah. Bali, sas na sas ako dito sa mga tao na to eh. May darating ba ba? O wala na? Sir. Sir. Ay, ma'am. Ma'am. Kala ko sir. Joke lang. Ga-
Ay!
Uy! Puka.
Naiinis na ako.
Joke lang. Sir! Baka bibili kayo po ng movies. Baka ano. Baka isa kayo dun sa ano. Sa mga magnanakaw. Oh, hoy! Sige. Now it's in Robert's in the 6 a.m. Do you want to buy it? Oh, rent it.
I want to buy it.
Sige, jeez. Okay, it's $20.
Here's the money. I'm surprised you are the only cashier who doesn't look at me with disguise of rejection when he sees that I want to buy a movie like that.
May pagpipilian. May pagpipilian tayo. Ay, ano kaya mga koys? I have to close the shop now. I don't have the time to stay in Tokyo. Thanks for your purchase. That's right. My name is Kyle. What's your name? I'm Robert. Robert. Shoutout sa mga Robert dyan. Mga quiz. Basta. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you a question? Sure. Are you happy in this job? Do you fulfill your dreams here? Why do you ask that? Huh? I'm curious.
Anong kulsa tanga kang bubo ka?
No. The truth is that I'm not happy. It was never in my plans to work in a BJ store. My boss does everything he can to make me live, have a good time here. But the truth is, it doesn't work. It makes me very sad to hear that. Well, it was nice meeting you, Robert. I hope to see you soon. Also, bye. Bye! So, anong oras na? Gago. Ano to? Ano to? Well, my shift is over. Now, let's watch the movie that John let me. Uy! Yon! Ang ingay tang... Oh. Grabe. I hope John's movie doesn't disappoint me. Sige. Well, mag-watch tayo ng movie. Drop! Yan! Na! Oh! Ulit! Ulit, try tayo dapat makataas na dito. Saan ako? Okay. So, dyan na nga tayo tatapos mga kaibigan. Sana ay nagustuhan nyo itong video. Salamat sa panonood. See you guys later!